Hi guys, welcome back to Origami Twist. My name's Jen, and in today's video we're going to make an Easter egg template. And first of all, I wanted to see how you guys are doing. I hope everyone's healthy out there in the world with all of this stuff that's going on at the moment with the COVID-19 stuff. I hope you're staying safe, staying home if you're able to. Thank you so much if you're part of the healthcare industry or work for places like grocery stores and that sort of thing. We really appreciate everything you've done for us. So for today's video, we're going to make an egg shape template. This is notoriously hard to freehand, and I've come up with a very simple, straightforward way to do this. So it does use household materials. You don't have to go out and go shopping to make this at home, even if you don't have a large craft room. And I hope it's appropriate just in time for Easter weekend. There you go. I was kind of thinking, if you make a whole bunch of these, you could do like an Easter egg hunt, either inside or in the backyard, and have like clues as to where the next one will be. So do it like an Easter egg hunt thing. I don't know. Tell me what you do with your Easter eggs in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear it. I was also thinking this might be cool to put in windows. I know a lot of people have been doing window decorations with all of this COVID stuff. So if you do that, let me know. Yeah, here we go. Household materials that you can use for this. If you don't have cardstock, you could use a manila folder, or you can use the light cardboard that is from a cereal box. That works just as well. You need a pencil, and then you need 2 circles. I'm using a roll of masking tape because it has an inside circle and an outside circle. You want the large circle to be slightly larger than the smaller circle. So a large circle and a small circle that are pretty close in size. If you have a compass, that will work as well. And a pair of scissors, and you're ready to go. Let's get making the template. I'm going to trace around the outside of my masking tape. If you're using 2 different size circles, trace the outside of the larger of the 2 circles. And I'm going about halfway up, like so. I'm now going to slide the masking tape up so that the inside circle is at the top of where I want the egg to be. So if you want the egg to be this tall, the top of the smaller circle is going to go there, just like that. And again, if you're using peanut butter jars or whatever, the smaller circle, the top of the smaller circle is what I'm talking about here. So I think I'm going to go here, and again, draw half of the circle. Okay, so far so good, and very, very straightforward. Now is where it gets a little tricky. We need to connect the 2 lines so it makes an egg shape. Now, here's the thing. If you were to draw a straight line between this top circle and this bottom circle at the outside parts, you're going to end up with what looks like a pear shape, or almost a pear shape, because an egg doesn't actually have any straight lines on it. See that? So to make this egg-shaped, we need to round that edge a little bit in order to create that oval. And by the way, I looked it up. Oval actually means egg, which who would have thought? Kind of makes sense, right? Okay, so if I make it a little bit more curvy, so not a straight line, but a little more of a curve. And again, if you're using a pencil, it's very forgiving. And you follow the edge down and curve out, and then meet it. Look at that. Now you've got an egg shape. Now you may decide you want to bring one side in a little bit or the other side out a little bit, but once you're happy with your shape, then all you have to do is cut it out. And then I've used a simple Sharpie marker. If you have Copics or alcohol markers, that will work just as well, something permanent, over the top of the watercolor, and it's created a great design. And there you go. You've created an Easter egg template. You can make them in all different sizes, and I hope to see what you've designed. Tell me in the comments below what you've created with your egg. or check me out on Instagram at Origami Twist and either tag me or tag hashtag Origami Twist so that I can have a look at what you've created. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I hope you have a very happy Easter, safe and healthy with all this COVID stuff going on. And, you know, we're praying for you and thinking about you during all of this mess. We hope you are doing well. Let me know what you'd like to see in a future video. I'm coming up with some new ideas and I'm really excited about it. All right, we'll talk to you soon, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.